If you are wondering if you need to purchase a charger or power adapter for OnePlus 15, then the answer is yes and no. It actually depends on where you live. For example, if you are from Europe, if you purchase the phone in Europe, then most likely, yes, you need to purchase a charger or power adapter if you want to get a new power adapter for your OnePlus 15, because the power adapter is not included inside the box of OnePlus 15. But let's say you live in India. In this case, the charger is actually included inside the box, so you don't really have to purchase the power adapter. Of course, if you have a power adapter from your previous device, then most likely you can still use it. The only thing that you need to take a look, of course, is the port that you have on the charger, because in this case the original cable is USB-A to USB-C, so you need to have USB-A port on the charger. Other than that, of course, so you can still use your previous charger, unless you want to upgrade, of course. So that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.